Good morning, everybody. Happy August 3rd. It's a gorgeous day outside, and it's a gorgeous day outside, and it just seems like a good day to go to an RC show, a movie, and then go get some burgers in a just really obscure, distant location. So why don't you come join me? Wait, where'd it go? No, it just... Alright. What did I tell you?
Another one of our softwood camels. DR1.
Yeah, we got you down there. Alright, somebody turn the radio off. We can turn it.
11 airplanes up there flying.
Alright, spotter, listen up. Right now.
And then there is a name given to each airplane. And the pilot then does a maneuver which is called binding, in which they bind the transmitter to the receiver. So just like your cell phone, you're not going to get any calls unless they're meant for each other.
Try to tighten this one up. Those of you in the back, cut it tight. Cut it tight.
So we can put up to 100 models in the air at the same time with no problem at all. Coming right down the runway at you in a high-speed pass. High-speed turn to the right. Like True Blood. Big circle.
Alright, so we just chilling, Mike and me. I'm gonna be his taxi for the day. That's why he's in the back seat. I don't know. So we went to the air show, as you saw. That was really fun. And then we went to go get Thai food. Never had Thai. It was quite good. I got pad Thai. So, open your door, please. Thank you. So,
I'll check out that girl.
then we got some what did we get? Whippy
Ice
dip.
cream, yeah, whippy dip.
Whippy dip. That's really good. I got a frosty, or no, I got it's called a Slurpee. Wait, what is it called?
Swirly.
A swirly, but it's just like a McFlurry. It's pretty much the same thing. It's pretty good.
It smells like Bigfoot dick over here.
I have no idea what that even means. Is that a good smell? Is that...
Wild. It smells wild.
It smells wild. That's great. So now we're going to go see this movie. It's at the Esquire. I'm not exactly sure what it's called, so I'll let you know how it is. But today was a fun day. Today was a very just chill day.
It was.
Yeah. We didn't end up going to Troy to get the burgers. But what movie did we see? I forget what it was called.
It happened one night.
It happened what not blah blah. It happened one night is what we saw at the Victoria Theater, and it's from like 1927. It was actually really funny.
1934, actually.
1934. I apologize. 7 years later. How'd you feel about it?
It was awesome. I actually enjoyed it. It was starred Clark Gable and Claudia Colbert.
It's a really good movie. You guys should check it out. Alright guys, it's just about that time. It is time for me to end the video. I know, relax. I know you guys are really, really upset about it. However, I will be coming back tomorrow about the same time. Don't worry. Alright, I'll eat some of that. Ooh, something popped. However, thank you guys very, very much for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that subscribe button. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. That would be awesome. Today's inspirational quote comes from Hannibal. I would assume Lecter, unless there's some other famous guy named Hannibal. Then it's that guy's quote. And he says, "We will either find a way or make one." Thank you guys once again for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it once again. And as always, I will see you guys tomorrow. Can you dig it? Peace out, Girl Scout.